Sarah Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. So today we're going to talk about evergreen marketing and what that means. And I know a lot of people have questions about this, so I'm going to talk about it in relationship to 5 different things on your blog or website. And I know for a lot of us that is our biggest source of authority, maybe the place we put in the most time. Then I'm going to also talk about it in videos. As far as, you know, I personally feel like the world is going more towards videos, that we are really starting to see that people aren't willing to read a giant long blog post, but they are willing to watch a 10-minute video, so we'll do that. And then affiliate marketing, that's something that I do a lot, and I know that many of my readers and watchers are doing that, so I want to talk a little bit about affiliate marketing and doing it whether it's evergreen or kind of open closed. And books, because so many of my people write books or are authors. I think there are things that we can look at it in respect to whether your book is evergreen or whether it's going to go in and out of fashion. And then also seasonally evergreen, which I think is really kind of one of the things I find really interesting. So let's jump right in. So on my blog, I do a lot of real estate marketing and a lot of real estate marketing titles and blog posts and content. So one of my good keywords is real estate keywords, meaning that it's kind of like real estate SEO. Realtors tend to search for keywords rather than SEO. And so this is very cool. I get a lot of traffic to this post because I got this special little box, right? This top box. And what this means is that people are coming to my post. They're doing, they're seeing 100 great SEO keywords for real estate agents. It's a beautiful thing. This is an evergreen post because no matter what, as long as people are doing blog posts, realtors are doing blog posts or videos or whatever, they have to figure out keywords. And so this has been a great topic for me, has generated a lot of traffic for me over the years. And it's a beautiful thing. So I rank in the box at the top, which is nice. And then number 4. So that is an evergreen post, real estate marketing. It's just going to keep bringing the love for years and years and years, right? Now, this is a topic that is not evergreen. You know, it's time to stop ignoring the crisis at NAR. And this is, NAR is the National Association of Realtors, so it's very important to real estate agents. But something like this is a very topical topic. You know, can you, do you have to put your license name? Do you have to do this and that? So those logo gate, this is a part of real estate marketing. Realtor.com changed their logo and people lost their minds. So is that evergreen or is that just something that's going to come and go and be gone? I would never write about the new NAR logo because it doesn't have any lasting power for me to use any effort. Now, if you were chasing trends, that's awesome. But I tend to want to make content that is going to last for a long time and be more evergreen. Okay, now we're going to skip over here to YouTube. So let's talk about the difference between an evergreen and a trendy YouTube video. So this is, should you plan yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily? And this is very important to people who are planning. I tried to, when I'm super busy and stressed out, I plan daily. Like I just put I have a daily planner sheet that I put down, especially when I have a lot of appointments and I have things like that. I have to plan daily because I have to feel like my day is under control. But most of the time, I can plan weekly and just lay out a whole week and do that. Some people, they plan monthly. I know a friend who, she may not plan her entire life monthly, but she has 3-month calendars because she was in the airline industry. And so she goes out of town every month for like a week to travel someplace amazing. So she needs to do that. Oh, if you're a speaker and you're doing a lot of speaking events, you may need to plan monthly. So it's just interesting, right? So that's a good long-term topic that is probably going to just keep accumulating views for me over time. Now, I did do kind of a time management post on what type of planner should you use. And this one I did it because I make planner pages, but I did it to capitalize on the popularity of a certain kind of planner. I'm not going to call it out right now, but that is very seasonal. So that planner comes into vogue. We get to see it for a little while, then it goes out of vogue, and then so to me it feels like then that video is obsolete, right? And that's kind of what I like to try to avoid with my Evergreen. Yeah, so this type of planner is in vogue right now. It has been for a couple, 3 years, and yeah, you can do some stuff around it, but I wouldn't actually base any of my serious time-consuming marketing on it. Okay, now we have affiliate marketing, and this is where you're promoting a product. So number one, there's a few things that I think about when I'm promoting a product. Is it a stable, steady company that's going to be around forever as long as they know? So yes, you want to do that. You don't want to get something that's just starting up, that may come or go, that may get bought, that may not do as well. So Tailwind is actually a really, really good company. And so I promote Board Booster, which I don't get an affiliate income from, but I like to do posts that are good for my people, so I don't really do that. And then Tailwind, which I do get an affiliate commission for. I get a couple of bucks almost every day from doing this post. And this is an evergreen one. So you can buy Tailwind anytime during the year. Not a problem. Buy it whenever. Now, Food Blogger Pro is this membership site for food bloggers. I love them. I love them so much. But they do this thing where they close down their membership for like 6 months, and then they open it for 2 weeks. And then they close down their membership, and they open it for 2 weeks. Now, what's happening in the meantime is they are building up, you know, a waiting list of people. They open their doors. They do all that. But as far as me, for an affiliate program, I don't love that, because that means that I get paid and then I don't get paid, and then I paid and then I don't get paid. So it's not my favorite kind of thing. I will always pick an affiliate program that people can buy as soon as they hear about it, because people have very short attention spans. So that's our evergreen versus, you know, seasonal, right? Seasonal, trendy, not trendy, more seasonal. Okay, so now let's talk about books. So I write nonfiction books, but fiction books are generally pretty evergreen. So Ernest Dempsey has a really cool series, the Shaun Wyatt series. Now, let's think about this. His books are pretty evergreen, right? Like, you could probably go for a really long time knowing their cell phones, there's this and that. But I was just rereading a whole series by, oh shoot, I can't remember his name, but it's Jane Whitefield, Shadow Woman, by another author. And they had started in the 90s, and now they're coming up until today. And what she was able to do, what she is like this little guide, and she helps people escape. So in the 90s, you could get on an airplane with buying a ticket 5 minutes before, and of course now you can't. So you can't really ever make anything evergreen, but fiction is a lot more evergreen as a book. You could also do nonfiction as an evergreen topic. If I know one of our titles is having a unique selling proposition for your company, and if you you know, if you have a business or you have anything, you have to figure out what makes it unique. So that would be an evergreen topic. Now, do you think Facebook, any book, is an evergreen topic, or is it going to change? And I thought this was hysterical. So this is Facebook Marketing for Dummies that was originally published in 2014, and then they updated it in 2018. So how much do you think Facebook marketing changed from 2014 to 2018? So for me, I don't love promoting books that are that, you know, it's going to be out of print in a little while. Now, what I can promote as books, or what I can write as books, or do anything as books, are ones like David Allen's Getting Things Done, right? He wrote it in the 90s, maybe 2000s, and re-updated it last year to include digital things. But in the meantime, the entire content of that book was still very good about being able to, being able to manage your life. So that is a very good thing. Now, the last thing I want to talk about real quick is seasonal marketing topics, rather seasonal evergreen marketing topics, right? So we're doing evergreen. So this is a really cool graph. So this shows that it peaks every May, every May, every May, every May, and then it almost disappears the rest of the year. So what do you think that is? Well, that is a graduation gift. So if you are selling graduation gifts in your store, or you're writing a blog post with affiliate links in it about the best graduation gifts for, psychology students, you can know that this is going to happen. So if you had a whole blog that was just about graduation gifts, you would know that, about once a year you're going to get some money or some traffic or whatever, but then it's going to go away. But what if you wrote a blog post also about the best Christmas gifts and the best Easter presents and the best and then you would be able to see those spikes coming all year long. So I thought that was super interesting. And then this is another one, losing weight. So everybody wants to know how to lose weight. And when do they want to know how to do it? January, 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 January. So those are the things that are evergreen, but they're seasonally evergreen. And I have ones like this too. I have how to do, or Halloween quotes with pictures. I just liked making Halloween quotes with pictures, and every year, starting at the beginning of October till the end of October, those quote posts and those quote pictures get a lot of traffic, and then November 1st it goes away, and then it doesn't come back for a year. So that is how you can start to think about evergreen marketing, and it works across whether you're an author, an Etsy seller, a blogger, affiliate marketer. All those things, you can look for ways to find evergreen topics, and then those little guys just churn out for you forever and ever. So hopefully that helps. If you like marketing videos like this, please make sure to subscribe. And if you liked this video and thought it was helpful, click the like button. Thanks so much. Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully.